Hello, Vedika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Meeting time ended.
Okay. That's fine. No, still we have time, yeah, no problem. Just give me a moment. See, okay. See, XML part is done. Okay, let me show you. See, we have created a new project. We have designed an XML part. Inside the XML background is changed. Text view is created, and the text view is nothing but a question. And button is created.
Yeah.
Button is but an answer. So we have to get an answer. So let me show you something. See, we have to mention what is mentioned in text view. We have to, what is, see, it's very simple. We have to name the text view. We have to name the button, and we have to find what the ID is. Okay. So simply what I'm going to do is, text view. See, can you see here? Text view is here. Okay. So text view is nothing but a question, right? So we'll name it as question.
Yeah.
Got it. And the second one is button, right? So button is nothing but an answer. Okay. See, the error is
Yeah.
coming, it's because it is not synchronizing. So what I'm going to do is Alt Enter. Simple. Alt Enter. That's it. Okay. So we have named the text view as
Yeah.
question, and we have named the button as answer. Okay. So now the only part
Yeah.
is question is fine, but we just want to find what the question is, right? So
Yeah.
name question, which is equal to
Wait.
find
Yeah.
view by ID. Okay. So this is the first coding part. R dot ID dot question. Okay. So tell you again. It's very simple. Let me show you again. I'll delete this first. Okay. I'm really sorry about that. See, only the text view we are going to see now, and next we'll see the button. Okay. See,
Yeah.
text view is nothing but, see, we have created a text view, right?
Yeah.
So we are mentioning it in Java, and we are giving a name as question. Very simple. So, question is fine, but we just want to know what kind of question it is. So, question which is equal to find view by ID. R is nothing but resource. Inside the resource folder, the identity is there. So R dot question. So here we named a text view as question, right? That is the point we are mentioning in Java. It's very simple. Got it? Am I confusing you? Hello, Vedika. Vedika, hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Am I confusing you?
No.
Only one line of coding. See, it's not complicated at all. Let's assume
Yeah.
let's assume text view a question. Okay. Text in
Yeah.
we are naming a text view as a question, and inside the question, we just want to find what kind of question it is. So question which is equal to find view by ID r dot id dot question. So r dot id dot is in the sense r is a resource folder. So that is the reason we are mentioning r, and we just want to find the identity. So r dot id in the sense, see, here the ID is question. So we are mentioning question. That's it. As simple as that. It is completed. The text view part is completed. Again, I'm going to enter button. Okay. Button is nothing but an answer. Okay. And I'm mentioning an answer. I mean, I just want to find what kind of answer we want. Find view by ID or dot ID dot answer. That's it. Okay. Are you clear as of now?
Yeah.
If you are not clear, don't worry. I'll repeat it again. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you clear? Are you sure as of now? Are you clear?
Yeah. Now I'm clear.
Great. Again, so okay, let me see. As of now, every basic information is mentioned. We have named a text view, we have named a button view, and we find the ID for the button view as well as for the text view. So now while selecting the button, it has to show the answer, right? So now the coding starts for that. Clear? So we have while selecting the button, while clicking the button, it has to show the answer. So that is the next task. So let's see how it works. Okay. So what is button name?
Button name.
What
Answer.
is good? Very good. Answer dot set on click listener, which means if I click that, it has to come something, right? So set on click listener. Very simple. Okay. You don't want to type all the codings, simply dot sct set O is capital, on click listener will be coming. You please enter. That's more than fine.
Yeah.
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 So new process have to be started. Okay. So while
Yeah.
clicking I mean while clicking the answer, new process have to be start. So new space view dot on click listener. That's it. Very simple. It is completed. Okay. Let me repeat
Yeah.
again. See, and answer is nothing but a button name. So
Yeah.
dot while clicking set on click listener. Okay. So
Yeah.
again, in while clicking the on click listener, new process have to be, new view have to be, there will be a new view. So let's see what the view is. New view dot on click listener. While clicking on click listener, something has to be view, right? So something will be
Yeah.
viewing. So we'll check what is this. Okay. So inside this thing, the only one line of coding we are going to do. So you'll get an answer. That's it. As simple as that. As of now, are you clear?
Yeah.
If you are not clear, please let me know. I'll teach you again. No worries.
I'm clear, but can you show that all again?
Sure, yeah. Everything or only this part?
No, that new one part.
Very simple. See, we have created a text view here. I mean, we have created a
Yeah.
text view in XML. Okay. And very
Yeah.
simple, I'm going to name a text view. Okay. So we have named a
Yeah.
text view and we are giving an identity. Question is there, but I don't know what the question is. So I just want to find the identity so that I can find the question. So what I'm going to do is question which is equal to find view by ID. So I just want to find the I do understand that is a question, but I don't know what the question is. So I just want to find what the question is. So find view by ID. R is nothing but a resource folder. Inside the resource folder only the activity. See, inside the resource folder only the layout is there, right? So inside the layout only the
Yeah.
activity main is there. So inside the activity main only the active XML file is there, and the XML file is if I select the text view, the ID is there. ID is nothing but a question. So eventually it will be here. Okay. So we will get the question. So question is nothing but who are you? We got it. Clear. It's so simple.
Yeah.
If it is not simple, even I'll explain you easily. I'll explain you.
Yeah.
We'll create a new project and I'll explain you clearly. Okay, it's so
Yeah.
simple. Again, I'll explain you with some other examples. See, now we have an answer, but answer is nothing but if I select the button, it will get the answer. So button name is answer. I got it. Button is an answer. If I select the button, I'll get an answer. I got it. but I don't know what answer I will get. Okay, so that we are going to find it. So answer which is equal to find view by ID. R is nothing but the same resource. Inside the resource dot ID dot answer. So we have declared an ID for button is answer. That is the reason we have mentioned the answer. Clear? As of now, it is clear, right? Confusing, right?
Yeah.
Slightly or totally confusing?
Slightly. Little bit.
Okay. See, we don't want to use this. Okay. See, let's mention. Okay, I'll delete this. See, let's assume text view is a human. Okay. Let's assume text view is a human. Instead of
Yeah.
human, we are mentioning text view. Okay. Human name is Vedika. Okay.
Yeah.
So text view is nothing but a text view is a human. Human name is Vedika. Okay, even that is confusing. Let's delete this. Yeah. Human. See, text view is human. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Text view is human. I just want to know who the human is. Okay, I'll go here. Human name. Okay. Okay, let's put it as question and we'll mention it as answer. Don't worry about that. It will be confusing then. See, it's very simple, yeah. So already we have created a text view. The ID is question and the button ID is
Yeah.
answer. Okay. So we are going to name a text view as human. Okay. So I understand the text view is human, but I don't know who the human is. So I'm just going to find. Okay. Find view by ID r dot ID dot human is nothing but a question. So we just want to know who the human is. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
And again, what we have to do is button. I'm creating a button. Button name is nothing but a button name is a name. Let's put it in that way. So I understand that you are a human, but I just want to know your name. You clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
So very clear. So text view is a question. Who are you? Is the text, and text name is human. Button is a name where name which is equal to find view by ID r dot ID dot. So it's the question or answer. Very good.
Answer.
It is completed. Samya கொஞ்சம் unmute பண்றீங்களா? Excuse Vedika.
Yes sir.
ரொம்ப குழப்பறானா ஸ்டூடண்ட்ட?
இல்ல சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போன ஃப்ளோவே கரெக்ட்டா இருந்துச்சு சார். இந்த
அப்படியா?
இப்போ சொன்ன இந்த இது வந்து லைட் கன்ஃபியூசிங்.
ஓகே. இல்லனா இப்படி பண்றேன் நானு. ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்க்கு குழப்பாம இருக்கிறது தான் முக்கியம். Like Vedika, I'll do something, okay? See, it's very simple, yeah. Let me tell you the XML design again, okay? See, ID is nothing but we just want to find the question, okay? So if you want to find the question, so we have to mention the ID in Java, okay? So question is here. If I mention this ID in Java, it shows the who you are and we'll get the answer. For getting the answer, again the name ID has to be coming. So we are mentioning answer. Okay, it's very simple.
Yeah.
Text view is, see, I'll do some other thing. Okay, text view is who. Okay, so text view is asking
Yeah.
who are you. Okay, so button is
Yeah.
telling the answer. Very simple. Button is telling the answer. Okay, it's fine. It's the error is coming because we have to enter alt. Enter. Okay. Are you clear? Inside, see, text is
Yeah.
nothing but who are you? Okay. So we have to drag the
Yeah.
question. So we have to drag the question in Java. Okay. So who, which is
Yeah.
equal to find view by ID r dot id dot
Question.
very good. Very good question. And the second one is we have created a button. Button is nothing but an answer.
Answer.
Very good. Find view by ID r dot id dot.
Answer.
Great. That's it. Yeah. As of now, are you clear or am I confusing you again? See, if I'm
No,
confusing
it's
you,
clear.
please let- sure, right?
Yeah.
So the next part
Yeah. Yeah.
is
It's clear.
great, ma, great, very good. So the next thing is answer dot set on click listener. Okay. Set on click
Yeah.
listener is nothing but answer is a button. If I'm clicking the answer, it has to show some answers. So a new view will be there. Some view will be popping up. So new dot view
Got
on click
it.
listener. Simple. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. It is completed. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, I'll repeat this part alone. Answer is nothing but a button. So if I select the button, if I set on click, if I click the button,
Listener.
very good. New, I'm sorry, new view dot on click listener.
View.
Very
On
good.
click. Yeah.
Okay. Are you, am I confusing?
No, it's clear.
Okay. So if I am confusing, I'll teach you in some other project. So it will be more easy. Toast.
Yeah.
Okay. So see, say the sticky notes. We have gave the we mentioned ID. We see. I'm sorry. We mentioned the text view, and even we mentioned the ID for the text view. We have created a button name, and even we are mentioned the ID. Even we are set on click listener. Now the toast part. Only one line of coding. Okay. Let's see that.
Yeah.
So inside the set on click listener, toast dot make, that's it. Make get application context, comma, my name is Vedika. Okay.
Yeah.
Oops.
Okay.
Vedika, oops, dot long dot show. That's it. See, let me teach you this coding alone. Okay. See, there are two lines of
Yeah.
coding now. One is we'll talk about the toast alone now. Toast is nothing but we'll get a pop up like see in Zoom call it will ask permission like your mic is not turned on, your speaker is not turned on, your camera is not switched on. It will ask you, right? Please allow the
Yeah.
camera switch on. So that is the only
Notification.
point is toast is exactly notification. So it will shows the notification. Toast dot make text. So what kind of text you want inside that notification, it will ask. Okay. Get application
Yeah.
context is nothing but right now we are in this activity. Either you can select get application context or main. So right now we are in which folder we are in? Main activity, right? Main activity dot
Active.
this. Right now I am in this main activity. So if I'm selecting the button, so some view have to become inside the view. My name is Vedika will come, and it will ask you whether I mean for a second it has to come, or I mean with for a second the my name is Vedika has to come, or for a long time it has to come. So what I'm going to do is toast. Again, I'm entering toast dot. Either you can select this or select toast dot length short. Length short is less than 1 second. Length long is 1 second exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Am I confusing? No, I am confusing, right?
Yeah, the toast part is
No problem. Yeah.
confusing.
Again, I'll do it. I see. Ma Vedika, toast is nothing but a pop-up or uh,
Notification.
not exactly a notification is something which is completely different. See, we'll get this notification. This is completely different. Okay. Facebook
Yeah.
notification, WhatsApp notifications are completely different. Some sort of questions will be there, or some sort of permissions they will ask, the system will ask. Okay, please switch on the
Yeah.
camera. There is no internet connection. Great. So if your internet is switched off, it will ask you, right? Please turn on your switch off your internet and try to use Facebook or WhatsApp. So you will get a notification. I mean, not a notification. You'll get a text stating that please switch on your internet connection, or please check your internet connection. It will ask you, right? So that is the
Yeah.
part we are going to do. Okay. Toast is
Yeah. Yeah.
nothing but you can assume that it is a notification.
Yeah.
Okay. Toast
Yeah.
dot make text is nothing but, see, I'll delete this. I'll do it my, see. Toast dot make text. Either you can select any of those. That doesn't matter. If you enter, see, inside this bracket, get application context, or if it is confusing for you, right now we are in main activity dot this, comma. So my name is Vedika. Okay. And
Yeah.
come outside of this thing, and again comma dot space toast toast dot length long dot, you come out of the bracket and show. That's it. Again, I'll repeat
Yeah.
it. Toast is nothing but a notification dot make text. Okay, I'm ready to get a notification, but what kind of text inside that notification? So make text. Right now I am in main activity dot this, comma. Inside the toast, we are declaring a line called my name is Vedika. So it has to show long, I mean long in the sense for 1 second, dot show. So please show it for 1 second. That is what the output is. Okay. Let's see whether it is
Yeah.
working. Okay, I'm finishing it. The code is completely done. I'll repeat it again. Okay, let's see it in your system as well. Let's see the output now.
Yeah.
Okay, see, the output is came, but we just want to check whether, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, guys. See, output is came, but we just want to check whether the output is working or not. Okay. Okay. See, yeah, it is completed. So the app name is,
Vedika.
it is came, right? And the text
Yeah.
is, who are you?
Oh.
So even the button is coming. If I select this button, see, my name is Vedika. Clear? See, already we have
Yeah.
created one application, right? That is the reason this is coming. If I open this again, if I play this, it will come. My name is Vedika. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Again, I'll do it. My name is Vedika. Clear?
Yeah.
Let's do it in your system. Shall we?
Yeah.
So it will take 5 minutes exactly. If you understand, it will take 5 minutes. Don't worry. I do understand that now the time is 5, but within 5 minutes you can complete it if you understand this. Samya, you don't have any other appointments, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
Chill, yeah. No. See. Miss Vedika, we can do it in next class, yeah. Okay. See. Let me show you this. Still, your application is not done, right? See, as of now, are you clear? It's because today we have to. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we can do it in next class. It's because we have to
Yeah,
configure
sure.
the mobile, right? So
Yeah.
we'll do it. I mean, the same coding we have to do it in your laptop for next class. So it is like a test series. Okay. So as of now, are you
Yeah.
clear, or do I want to repeat it?
Yeah. No,
Can I
I'm
repeat
clear
it?
now.
Sure.
Yeah.
See, if not, please tell me, yaar. You don't want to treat me like a mentor. You can treat me like a brother. Okay, I do have a sister. Even you can treat me like a brother. Okay, if you have any queries, you don't make any barriers to give the questions. Okay, please ask me
Yeah.
questions so that eventually I will learn and eventually I'll explain you. It will be a recap for
Yeah.
me. So,
Yeah.
are you sure you don't have any questions as of now?
Now I don't have, but we have to click enter right after that. Writing is end.
Yes, exactly. You have to enter. So after the
Okay.
thing, you have to enter. So it will work.
Yeah. And
Are
that
you sure?
content and text will come automatically, or we have to write
Exactly. Text
in.
will come automatically. See, for an example, uh, I'm deleting this. Again, I'm entering at finish. If you enter, automatically it will come. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
So tomorrow exclusively we'll do the same coding in your system and we'll check whether it is working or not. Eventually, I just want to check
Yeah.
whether mobile is configured or not in your system. Let me check that now. Okay. It's because see, obviously in your system it might take 1 hour of coding. We
Yeah.
have Devesh. I mean, we have the next student at exactly at 5:30. So that is the reason I'm thinking of.
Sure.
Eventually, no worries.
Yeah.
I'll check it in your system whether the mobile is configured or not. Okay.
Yeah.
But see, as of now, the simple coding, yeah. If you have any doubts, please let me know. We'll repeat the same thing in your
Sure.
system tomorrow. It will take 45 minutes. I mean, surely for designing, it will take 15 minutes. For coding, it will take 15 to 20 minutes. And to get the output, it will take 10 to 15 minutes according to your system configuration. So let's check how it works tomorrow. Okay. And eventually,
Yeah.
I'll check the mobile is configured in your system or not. See, can you please
Yeah.
connect your mobile through USB cable or something?
Yeah. I have connected.
Already you have connected.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please go to the developer option? This developer option is on in your mobile.
Yeah. It's on actually.
Yesterday it was on, but after some time automatically it gets switched off. I mean, the developer option will be not there. So we have to make sure whether it is
Okay.
connected or not. No worries. Chill.
Yeah.
No,
It's
no,
on.
it is on. Okay. Can you please go to the
Yeah.
USB debugging and check whether the USB debugging is on or off? Inside the developer option, USB debugging will be there.
It was off.
I think it is connecting in your system, it seems. Just give me a minute. It will take some time.
Yeah. Okay.
Is the mobile is connected in your system?
Yeah.
Is USB debugging is switched on?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check whether it is connected or not. Okay, I'm really sorry.
Connected.
I have to teach you, right? Okay. See, you have to select this. Yeah, it is deducted. See, you have to go to troubleshooting device connection and you have to re-see. Again, it is showing deducted 14 devices. You have to select this. Okay.
Okay.
So it will work.
Yeah.
Yeah, connected. Connected. Excuse. Yeah, it will work. Okay. Let's check. Just give me a minute. Yeah, can you please check now? Miss Vedika, can you hear me? No, you can close this. It is completed. You can close this. See, can you please check your USB debugging is switched on or not? Let me show you that. See, you have to check whether the USB debugging is switched on or not. Can you hear me, Ms. Vedika? Hello?
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Can you please check that?
Yeah.
So,
On
see, if,
phone, right?
no, 100%. You see, no, ma, you have to go to developer option. So please go to developer option.
Yeah. It's
So
on. USB debugging is also on.
on. So switch off that
Yeah.
USB debugging and switch on it again.
Okay.
Switch
It's
on it again.
only use it only to install.
I think USB wire is the issue. Can you please check that? I think USB wire is the issue.
Maybe.
200% it will work. I mean, the only part is you have to switch on the USB debugging. If it is switched on, it will work. But either ways, if it is
Yeah.
not working, that is fine. It's because we have AVD in your laptop, right? I mean, we have
Yeah.
Pixel 25, right? That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
mobile is, you please check whether it is not working. That's totally fine. You please check and let me know by tomorrow. Got it?
Sure. Sure. Yeah.
Do you have any questions as of now?
No. No. It's all clear.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
See, if you have any questions, please note it down. And
Yeah.
see, it's very simple. I'll be sending it to. I'll be sending this coding as well. Okay, in WhatsApp. So, I mean, you have 8148 number, right? Through that, you'll be having this coding. Okay. If you have any queries, please let me know by tomorrow. I'll help you. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
So, if you have any queries, please let me know. I'll teach you this thing in a different way. If it is
Sure.
I mean, if it is complicated, please let me know. I'll teach you even easier by next classes. Okay. If it is complicated,
Yeah.
please let me know. Okay. Without
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
mean, without knowing, I can't help you, right? If it is not,
Yeah.
if it is too complicated, please let me know. I'll help you.
Sure,
Clear?
sure.
Chill, yeah,
Yeah.
chill. As of now, it is clear, right?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah, definitely.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, fine. Please give me the feedback as well. So tomorrow, what
Yeah.
timing you want? 3 or 4?
Tomorrow 3 is okay. Today classes timing was just changed for today. That's why.
Okay, but eventually from tomorrow 3 to 4 will be the timing for you, right?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Great, ma'am, great. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.